We're sailing!
Cheers! Thanks for having us.
Well, it looks pretty swollen still. So we got our summer clothes on and we are heading out. So we're gonna head to, sorry, where are we going?
Victoria.
Is that all? Victoria, okay. Victoria. Hopefully there's a bit of wind out there. It's a little breeze going through here, but it's not nearly as windy as it was when we came in, so.
They're sailing.
We gotta track or go back on how we came in, which now it's low tide, so it's much more important that we follow that path. Now we're at 6. Something marked there. That was terrifying.
What?
We had 2.5 feet draw under our keel, and that's terrifying.
You did good, Tim.
Thank you.
So we're classic Lyndon and Tiff. We're fighting a pretty strong current here.
Stupid.
But I think we're at a point where two currents are meeting, so we're gonna switch over to running with the current, which would be amazing, especially since I doubt we're gonna get to sail today. But that being said, it is gorgeous out.
Hence the sunscreen.
Yeah.
Get our tans on. There's a bit of a breeze, so we're gonna try lifting the sails. Hopefully we can actually sail. If not, we'll just motor sail.
Ready?
Yeah.
First time in, I don't know what hour we're on. 5 hours here? 4 hours? First time in 4 hours of motoring.
Woo! We're making ground.
We're not fighting the current and going at snail speed.
When will we ever learn? Okay?
Well, we're back to fighting a 2-knot current.
Yeah. You're not dancing nearly as much as you just were. Oh, man!
Oh, I'm frustrated.
Even though we were fighting currents and it was a long day motoring, it was still really nice to see another beautiful part of Vancouver Island.
So we made it. That was a little stressful, but it's just really cool here. It was all good. Nothing went wrong.
So we made it in last night to West Bay Marina, which is in Victoria Harbor. It's gorgeous here. We're staying in a friend's slip. They have a slip, but they're just in the process of buying a boat, so they let us stay in here for a few days, which is great. Thanks, guys. But the weather is so nice. I got a sunburn yesterday, which makes me so happy, and yeah, looking forward to a day exploring Victoria.
So we're here in Victoria and it is very nice.
I already did this.
Oh, you did this?
Yeah.
Okay. I agree with everything Lyndon said. I'm sure I do.
You always do. Right?
No.
Keys, phone, wallet, water.
Yep, good. No. Sorry about that. Take two, and we're going.
Keys were in the backpack.
Yeah.
I put them there.
Oh, I know. This place is so, there's so many cool artsy things around.
Victoria is the capital of British Columbia and is definitely a must-see if you ever come to Vancouver Island. In the downtown core, you can find gorgeous hotels, little shops and cafes, and also our stunning Parliament buildings that overlook the Victoria Harbour. But the very best part about Victoria was that a couple of great friends came and met us for the day.
Photo op time.
Want a table and play some cards?
Sure.
Just cards.
It's always fun to have friends on the boat, and it's great to get a chance to show them a little of what our life is like.
Yeah. The other one. You didn't even jump off. So it's a really nice day today again. A little bit cooler, which is a good thing because where are we gonna go today, Lyndon?
Just gonna make a quick stop at the walking clinic.
Yeah. He did something to his foot yesterday and it's all swollen. Put it up in the sun here. You can see it. And like bruised, it's horrible.
Quite swollen.
Yeah, and he can barely walk.
We were just walking around Victoria yesterday and slowly started to hurt more and more. So it's probably just a muscle thing.
I don't know, you popped something it looks like because it's all bruised.
But we have to walk to the
Yeah, it's gonna be a bummer.
So we'll see how that goes.
It's only a few blocks away, but it's pretty rough how you walk. Alright.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get this done.
So we're not even to the gate yet, and Lyndon, he can't walk. We're gonna have to call a cab. Find a vehicle somewhere. Oh, it looks pretty swollen still. Even after sitting for a while. What's the verdict?
Doctors. Are they ever any help?
Not in this situation. He basically said
I don't know.
he doesn't know what's going on. Just monitor it. Meanwhile, Lyndon can barely walk.
Thanks for the practice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, not a problem.
Yeah, and look at the ice packs.
Take the ice packs again.
Thank you guys so much. Oh, they were so friendly. Let's go ice that foot.
The whole morning turned out to be a big waste of time. After finally getting crutches so I could actually be mobile, all they ended up really doing was giving me bruises in my armpits. I should have just stayed on the boat and rested up my foot.
So we decided we're gonna head off. We're gonna go back to Sidney Spit for tonight, and then probably back to Duncan tomorrow. So it's about just after 2, so we've timed the currents this time and the tides and the winds, so hopefully they'll be favorable for us and we won't have to be fighting a 2-knot current this time.
We should be just like with that current.
Hopefully. Hopefully. We should get there by maybe 5, 6, 4 hours?
Maybe 6 probably, yeah.
That's great.
By the time we get out, and the weather's sort of supposed to turn, so we should have some wind. Maybe we can sail, maybe we can...
I think that's going to depend how you're doing.
Yeah.
Well, whatever, we'll
I'll be
see.
fine.
How was your foot?
It's sore.
Is it getting worse?
I'm not a wuss.
Is it getting worse? I was trying to say it with an accent. Is it getting worse?
No. It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay.
Did you get sprayed?
Yeah.
So this is by far, well, maybe not the biggest seas. When we went to cross the strait, it was pretty big. It's very choppy out. We got some good waves. Woohoo! My eyes are watering like crazy. I raced the main all by myself. Yahoo! This is so nice! It's just crazy to me how like it seems like it's so much calmer. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true, we're not yelling. So tensions are a little lower, which is nice.
It's not avoiding putting the sail out the water, which is good.
Stowing stuff Lyndon.
Surprised you didn't start any boat projects before.
You're sassing way too much. Face wipe.
This is what you do.
You deserve it.
Oh no, gotta do this. Nope, nope. Lyndon, sandwiches first.
Whatever. That was not even part of it, and you're making it part of it.
Hey, we just gotta sail more. Right now, she's avoiding putting up the Genoa. There we go. I think that's sailing, I think.
We're sailing!
Woo! And there's a helicopter.
Oh my
Just like
goodness!
this episode.
Full circle! Oh, that's crazy.
Well, that was a good sail for, was a great sail for 5 minutes. Good sail for another 10 minutes. And then a mediocre sail for what, 20? so awesome. He's so fun to sail in one of them. Why is your mouth steaming? Why is my mouth steaming?
Because it's cold out.
We can see our breath. I'm wearing shorts.
What the? We made it back to Sydney. I think it's about 7.
Spit.
Sidney Spit, sorry. We made it back to Sidney Spit. 6:45, so not too bad. It doesn't really matter whose is whose. The mold might have got to yours before we did.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
You still love me?
I do.
Even with my chubby foot.
I wasn't anticipating it, but I do still love you. We have a friend for dinner, it looks like. Slowly making his way.
Just not getting anything. So we literally had dinner, or made dinner, ate dinner, relaxed, and we still have our little buddy. Just keeps going back and forth, not squawking, not nothing, just waiting.
Nothing to see except the white sky overhead.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this episode. If you're interested in some exclusive content, or you'd like to find out how you can support us on this adventure, head on over to our Patreon page. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. We post a new episode every Wednesday. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Our links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.
I'm in the spotlight, not on till midnight. I want somebody